All right, welcome back to yet another behind the scenes video. Today we're here at Pico Pizza in Toronto on Spadina Avenue. We're actually shooting a commercial right now. This is our second shoot day because we were here last week getting those intro and outro hero shots that you just saw. The gear we used on day one consisted of my Sony a7 III with the Laowa probe lens 24mm macro. It's a really unique lens meant for a very specific purpose to get those close yet wide shots. We were running the setup on the Edelkrone Slider Plus. It's a fully automatic slider. You control it using an app on the smartphone. If you want to see a full review about that slider, I have one on my channel. You can check it out up here. All right, let's get started. So our first shot, which was the intro shot from last week, Eden grabs the dough ball off of a thing, and as he picks that up, we're of course going to transition to the pizza toss in the air. I think it'll be a nice seamless transition if I can execute it properly. Are you ready to get covered in flour?
Ready to get covered in flour.
Right now we've got our camera and lens wrapped in saran wrap because this first shot here, we're gonna get right underneath the dough as it's flipping in the air in that sort of saucer formation. And we're gonna let it fall directly onto the UV filter of the lens. The plan is as that dough flops onto the lens, that will then transition into the next shot, and we're pulling out as he's laying the dough flat onto the peel.
But again,
It's gonna fall flat. So we're just gonna pull this a little bit away, and that'll make our highlights roll off just a bit better. We'll also get a little bit more spread with our light, which is nice. I couldn't even see where it went. This is ridiculous. And here again, try it in like a seamless motion, bring it to here, okay? Shift over just a little bit that way, yep. Go. Try to wait an extra second longer to let it flop.
Okay.
Wait till I'm like right there. This is prime flopping zone. So the distance you have to maintain from me now is a little bit different. See that?
Yeah.
That's how far I need to be from you.
The whole time.
Yeah. Go. One more. Like that. Yeah, I like the little...
Yeah, just send it out.
So one thing I like to do when I do these types of shoots is I make shot lists. I just take a notepad and write down all of the different shots I want to get. Now there are some similarities and some differences between a shot list and a storyboard. A typical storyboard, you're sort of planning your shots for the edit. You already know what the final video is going to look like, or at least what you want it to look like. With a shot list, you're a little bit less limited. We're not scripting this out as much. We just want to hit on certain things. And when we're shooting, we can be creative, and anything that pops in our mind, we can just kind of roll with it. In 3, 2, 1. So Eden, the owner of this Pico location, he's actually a creative guy and he runs a social media agency. So I'm picking up a thing or two from him right now. He has this crazy idea of putting a piece of glass down over this counter and shooting from the bottom up through the glass as he pours the sauce. This is not my idea at all, but I really like the idea, so we're gonna try it out. All right, camera rolling, and whenever you're ready, go for it. This is the tomato sauce shot. I guess now's a good time to give a massive shout out to my behind the scenes filmer, Dennis. This guy has been absolutely killing it. It's my guy right there. So there's actually a video, the guy's name escapes me, but he was using the same probe lens that I have, and he does this top-down shot of Cheerios falling into a bowl, and it looks crazy. So I think we have to do that with the mozzarella.
That's next?
Yeah, that's the next shot. All right, rolling. Okay, so with this shot, the grater is gonna be sitting over there somewhere. You're gonna take your left hand, I'm gonna follow your hand as you grab it, and then you're gonna bring it up. You're already gonna be holding that block of cheddar in your hand, then you're gonna bring them together and you're just gonna do one swipe. Two, one, go. Three, two, one, go. I think that was good. So good.